Hi folks, welcome to Value Add. Today we're going to talk about how do you approach someone, whether in a business relationship, whether it's a personal relationship, what does it involve? So this is something that, like, most of us have some kind of doubt within ourselves, or whether there is any reason. We come up with some kind of reason that stops us. So forget about the reason for it. Let's figure out how do we get ourselves to do it, because we know there is tremendous value in doing that in life. So simple answer is put yourself out there. Start with something small. Start with just approaching a person at when it's easier to do so. Then eventually, after a while, you'll grow that. It's like a muscle that you build, and after a while, you'll find that you are able to approach people in groups and whatever. So this is something that applies to whether it's a business, whether you have to network with business people, whether it's a love relationship, you want to meet a girl or a guy for that matter. And it also involves whether it's a social circle, whether you want to mingle with friends, you want to reach out to new people. It can also involve your own family, people you're not connected to in a long while, or new people within the family who you're meeting for the first time. You have to put yourself out there. And it also involves repeat meeting that same person at the second, third, fifth, whatever number of times, because it takes courage even doing that over again. Once you connected with the person and again approaching them once again, there are all kinds of insecurities that may come up. So you have to overcome that, and then it's like a muscle you build over time. So hope this helps. Cheers. Take care.